Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be walking you through the process of downloading Farming Simulator 19 on your PC. But before we continue, check the description for links to gaming mouse and keyboard options if you're interested. Now, let's get started. First of all, you'll need to have Steam installed on your computer. Steam is a popular platform that hosts a wide range of games. If you don't have it yet, simply visit the official Steam website. Click the Install Steam button in the upper right corner and follow the instructions to download and install it. Once Steam is installed, open the app. If you don't have a Steam account, you'll need to create one. Just click Create a free account, then enter your email and choose a secure password. After logging in, use the search bar located at the top right corner of Steam. Type Farming Simulator 19 in the search box. The game will show up in the search results. Click on its title to see the store page with all the game details. To buy the game, click on the green Add to Cart button. Once you've completed the purchase, head over to the Library tab. You'll see Farming Simulator 19 listed in your games. Click on it, then hit Install. A window will pop up asking where you want to install the game. Pick the location and click Next. The download process will start automatically. After the download is done, you'll see a Play button appear. Click it to launch Farming Simulator 19 and begin playing. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye-bye.